Welcome back, guys. My name is Julius and I am a professional futures trader. But today I'm gonna do the experiment. I'm gonna trade stocks like Ross Cameron for 1 day. And we're gonna do that on a demo account today. So for my first time ever, no real money. I think you guys never should risk real money if you're trying out something for the first time. So paper trading today, demo account, but we'll still take it very seriously. Here we go. So I'm using a strategy with the stock screener here on TradingView, more or less like Ross is doing it, at least from what I could see in my research for this video. So now let's set up the screener first. I'm here in my paper trading account on TradingView, so I put in $10,000. I think that should be a starting balance for now, and we're gonna head over to the stock screener and change those filters here. Okay, so as Ross is doing it, we're gonna look for a stock in a price range between $2 and $20. The percentage change should be above 10%. The relative volume should be above 5. And the float should be less than 10 million. So 10 million. All right. So I think this is still from yesterday. So we have to wait 5 more minutes until the market opens. And what we're gonna do is buy a pullback on the 1 minute chart. That's the smallest I can get here on TradingView. So we're looking for a nice stock with some decent price action that I can buy after a pullback. And I know Ross is mostly trading like 3 or 4 stocks a day. I'm probably not going to be able to do it since the stock screener here is pretty limited. I think I will only get 1 or 2 great results that make sense to trade at all. Also, I'm just able to trade the regular trading hours, so no pre-market stuff. So as I told you, I am a futures trader and I do have only very little experience with stock trading. So I'm very keen to find out how I will perform here today. Okay, guys, so now it's 9:30. We're gonna refresh again, and there are some great opportunities. So this is the biggest gainer here. It went from $3.20 to $8. Okay, that is crazy. So we have a $10,000 account balance here on my paper trading account. Let's take a look at the other opportunities. Okay, so this one does not seem to have such a great price action on most of the days. So I am a little more careful on this one. But the first 2 gainers here are looking quite interesting. I'm waiting for a proper pullback of at least 2 bearish bars before I start to buy anything here. So we look for a pullback and then I want to buy more or less at the low of the pullback back to the old tops. That is my approach for today. So I'm quite happy that everything worked with the scanner so far. And UKK, OPTX and PRTG are quite interesting to trade here. Keep in mind, I am not a stock trader. I'm a complete beginner here. This is a self-experiment and I'm waiting for 2 consecutive bearish bars at least. So this one is rising. We could have earned quite some money here already if I would have just bought the stock right at the open. Okay, so let's wait a little bit until I find a good setup. Oh, wait, maybe I get the opportunity to execute market about, let's say, 7,000 US dollars, or let's go with 5 to make sure I have enough balance. As I told you, I'm a complete beginner. So let's see if I can get a better price to enter here. Okay, I pressed the buy button. Did it work? Oh, it did work. It did work. We were filled right here. And here's my unrealized profit and loss. So, okay, we basically bought almost 2,500 shares down here, but I was only executed up here. Okay, so this was a mistake that TradingView made. No problem. We're gonna set a take profit all the way up here. So I am winning here currently. Oh, now the take profit is in. Okay. I want to have a stop loss here. Keep in mind, I was filled a little too late because it was like not loading. So we have about a $540 stop loss and a $740 take profit currently. And actually my entry was a little lower here. So we would have gotten a better reward risk ratio here. But TradingView is a little slow. Stop loss is now set and we should have been filled. Are we filled? Why aren't we filled? I take this as a fill. My trading idea was very, very right. Maybe we get another opportunity now. Okay, we are filled. Guys, I made money on my first stock demo trade ever. Can you believe it? I made $740 trading stocks live. I know it's a demo account. I know, but I made it. We started with $10,000 account balance and I was able to make 700 bucks. I waited for a pullback and then bought when the market was basically coming back up. So let me analyze that. I waited for at least a 2 consecutive bar pullback. This was this pullback that I waited for. And then I wanted to buy once the market really sufficiently breaks higher. So this candle was a little too early for me. Here, this one was a good opportunity. And I actually wanted to go in at this price level. Fortunately, we had another opportunity opportunity. Once this candle came lower, I again want to buy this price level here around the $2 and maybe let's say 2 cents. But then TradingView was a little too slow and I got filled at the 206 and this stock is rising again. This was actually a great trade. So looking at MNTS, maybe now this would have been opportunity to buy, but the paper trading is not online again. Wow, this is really annoying. So as you can see, paper trading is not working. So we do it manually. I want to buy here at this level at the $9.13. We're gonna have a stop loss around here at the $8.50 and a take profit around the $10.80. This is what I want to do. Okay, you saw that live. I'm not able to execute with the paper trading account here, but I want to go long here again at the $9.13. Also, OPTX could in theory be interesting, or at least was interesting down here, the level at 380. So should the market come back down here, I may be interested to buy at this level to then go back all the way up. MNTS is working in our direction. Paper trading is offline. That is a pity that on the day I want to record this video, TradingView having maintenance issues and OPTX is now also running away. I would have actually bought it here at the $3.80 after this 2 consecutive bar pullback, but I did not catch that, but I catched MNTS. So this is the next trade that we are looking for. So let's do that manually. So I would have bought around 547 shares of this stock here on this price level at $9.13. Why? Because 547 times $9.13 equals around $5,000. Let's calculate that together. $10.86 minus $9.13 would have been $1.73 per share times 547. So $946 would have been possible take profit here. $946 would be the profit. And our stop loss line, let's calculate that again. We have $9.13 minus $8.50 where the stop loss is. That makes 63 cents a share. And again, we are trading 547 shares, which equals a amount of $345 that we might end up losing. Now let's see which target will be hit first. NUKK brought us, let me put that in, $741 that we made on this stock. Isn't that great? We made this on NUKK. OPTX actually is giving us maybe an entry. I thought I might be willing to buy here at the $3.80. We did not get there lately. And MNTS is currently selling off, unfortunately. We were not able to make money on this until now. And OPTX is running away again. I'm still thinking that this is a good trade. I might just not be able to get in. I did not get the opportunity. And this was more or less the area where I would have taken profits. Wow, this could have been such a good trade with an entry around the $3.80. Let's calculate that. Take profit would have been here at the 430. So that would have been $650 right here that I was not able to make. So this trade would have worked. Again, I would have bought down here after this 2-bar retracement was finished and the market went long again, closing above this pin bar. Unfortunately, I was not able to. Market did not hit that area again, but the trade idea worked out and I am long here in MNTS after pullback. Then the pullback was broken. Market went long again. I went long thinking, okay, we might come up here to the tops again. We did not until now. And those are the numbers that we could make on this stock if it works. But we are very close to getting stopped out here. Look at that. Very, very close. Come on, market. Come back up. Guys, can you believe it? We are stopped out on MNTS. This wasn't the right stock to trade. I missed out on OPTX. Look how it's rising. I hate it. But I decided for MNTS in my experiment here and we lost $345 on this stock. So this is my result here. This is my result on NUKK. So that was my first ever stock trading experiment on the demo. We ended up with $740 minus 345 gives us $396 in profit that we made today. Why? Because I had a very good reward risk ratio. I lost on one trade, but way less than I won on the other. And we still ended up with a decent profit. Keep in mind, this is just paper trading that I did here. I did not risk any real money. This is just a simulation for my first ever stock trading experiment. This is my result for today. Hopefully you liked it. Maybe next time I'm able to actually try some real money. We'll see. If you want to see me trading this stock technique with real money, leave a like and let me know in the comments down below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We see us next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Thank you for watching. It seemed to work out pretty well, but probably I will stick with my futures for now. Have a great rest of the week. Bye bye.